Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we've got a fancy cocktail, the Fancy Free. I spotted the recipe in the book Death & Co. Modern Classic Cocktails. Death & Co. is a cocktail bar that opened in Manhattan on New Year's Eve in 2006 that has since expanded to Denver, Los Angeles, and Washington, D.C. Now let's talk ingredients, starting with Luxardo maraschino liqueur, Rittenhouse rye or any other high corn rye whiskey, orange bitters, and angostura bitters. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat and mixing glass and add 1 dash of angostura bitters, 2 with a dasher bottle, 1 dash orange bitters, then get your jigger and measure a ½ ounce of maraschino liqueur, and 2 ounces of Rittenhouse rye. Fill your mixing glass with ice and stir for 30 seconds, or until your mixing glass has frosted. Get a double rocks glass, add a large cube, and strain your cocktail. And finally, garnish with an orange twist. And there you have the Fancy Free. Now let's give it a taste. A smooth, glossy texture that coats the mouth, that's both semi-sweet and slightly floral from the maraschino liqueur. A sweet orange flavor from the Fee Brothers bitters, and some baking spice fused together from the angostura bitters and the Rittenhouse rye. Texturally, it's somewhere between a Manhattan and a martini, with the maraschino liqueur not as viscous as the sweet vermouth, but not quite as thin as dry vermouth. A really interesting and complex sip. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite Manhattan variation? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.